Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we would be looking at YEARN Finance, or YFI, currently ranked at 136 with a market cap of about $308 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume for about $244 million. And today we are going to be looking at the AI price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So without further ado, let us push to the chart. And we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta on the 4 hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And last week, our AI basically predicted that we could see prices were around this 9,000. We closed prices. Our AI predicted that we could see prices go as high as the 12,500, right? And as you can see, and we exceeded our target right here by our AI, and as we went as high as the 15,200 or even the $16,000 level, right? That just shows you to see how our AI has been getting it back to back to back to back. We've been getting that price prediction. Remember, AI predicted that move from the $7,000 level even to that $10,000 level. And so we have been getting our price prediction back to back to back, right? And so our price prediction right here for this week by AI, we saw this push to the downside. AI basically saying we could see the price of YEARN Finance have this sort of sideways action and into the week. Right, we could see this huge push to the upside into that 10,000. $10,500 level. So we could see another 14% push right here for our YFI this week, right? And so we should be expecting to see prices push into that $10,600 right here for this week, right here for YFI, right? So we could see another 13 to 14% pump this week right here for YFI based on our AI, right? Our AI basically uses regression analysis, which means it basically compiles all the past data right here for YFI on the candles to be able to forecast, right, or predict what is going to happen this week right here for AI, right? I mean, for YFI, right? So our YFI or our AI is predicting that for YFI, we could see that 14% move, a sort of sideways price action going into the week, and then we could see that 14% push to the upside right there to cap YFI right there at the 10,600 to $10,700 level, right? So that is the price prediction right here for this week, right here for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.